Okay, I am just returning to this spot for the first time this year, and it's the worst I've ever seen it. So I want to use this as an opportunity to do a mini lesson in a short video. That's bad, okay? I agree. That is a variety of annual invasive grasses. Clearly they are dead and fire fuel mixed in with some invasive thistle. And the reason this is significant is because they've been grazing this for the last several years, and this problem here comes back worse every year. Now you look up and you have some green native foliage. And in order to get rid of this, and I say get rid of, I shouldn't, because what they do is shorten it, consume part of it, and trample the rest, and then spread the seeds even further into new territory. But in order to temporarily feel better, as though we mitigated the fire situation, we sacrifice the native green perennial plants that are supposed to be like this all year long, and those are stripped bare and demolished in order to have the goats consume this. Now, this stuff, once the goats leave, will be back within months. That's how fast it grows. And it dies off quickly too. So the bulk of the year, this is going to be fire fuel again, while these perennial plants, on the other hand, will take the entire year to recover. Meaning the green leaves that you see just barely got here. Just barely grew back after being fed upon last year, and now the goats have arrived again. So they just barely got the leaves back, and now they're going to be fed upon again, which means that these native plants have not been able to do what they were supposed to do, accomplish what they were supposed to accomplish, provide for the native wildlife what the native wildlife are accustomed to them providing for them, all for the sake of temporarily shortening this problem plant that comes back quickly and comes back worse every time. So for the illusion of mitigating fire fuel, we redundantly hurt the wild habitat, while actually in the long run making the fire fuel threat worse.